Hello my dear students, now this is our second part of our chapter 4th, magic top. This is like an activity, okay? Let us make a magic top. Take a cardboard piece, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and cut it out. Now you know what is the radius, okay? So radius of 3 centimeter, it means this much, okay? Suppose it is a 3 centimeter, then our size of the circle is like this way, okay? So here also 3 and here also 3 centimeter. So here this is our what? Yes, diameter, because it is passing from the center of the circle, okay? So this one is a diameter. You learn this thing in third chapter. Don't forget it, students. Divide circle into 8 equal parts. Now what we have to do? We have to divide a circle into 8 equal parts. Suppose this is a circle. Now we have to divide into 8 equal parts. These are 2 parts. Now 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 parts. So divide circle into 8 parts. Now each part is 1/8 of the circle. Each part. So this part is known as a 1/8. Why? Because total we have the 8 and we are talking regarding this part. Understood? So this is the 1/8. This also 1/8. This also 1/8 and all are separately 1/8. Color 2/8 red. So we have to color 2/8. 2/8 means, students, total parts 8. We are talking regarding 2 parts. So 2/8. So these we have to color red. Okay. So 2 parts. From the 8th part we have to color red. 1/8 orange. So these are 1/8. It means 1 part orange. Okay. 1/8 yellow. So here yellow. This is the yellow. 1/8 as shown here. Push a matchstick through the center of the circle. Okay. Your magic top is ready. Spin it fast. What do you see? Can you see all the colors? Write what you seen in your notebook. Okay, this is your activity. What you are seeing in this and another this way color you can do, but here they are giving us this much. Okay, so here also you have to color. It is a like an activity, students. Whenever you free, please try it. Okay, now practice time. Chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji. 1/4. So here see, chocolate bar is given how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and over here 2. So 6 2s are 12. Because 2 parts we have of the 6. Either you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total parts we have how many? 12. Okay. So in this total part, she gave 1/4 of it to Raji. Students, listen properly. 1/4 of it. It means total parts 1/4 of 12 parts. Yes or not? Because we have the 12 parts over here. Is that clear? Okay. Now see, whenever of word is there, 1/4, it means multiplication. So 1/4 multiply by 12. Understood? 1/4 of 12. So 1/4 multiply by 12. Now in this fraction, rule is that whenever we want to do multiplication, we have to do cross cancellation. Okay. So here 4 3s are 12. Yes or not? Already I shared these videos to you how to multiply fraction. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. Now this is the numerator. Numerator we have to multiply. You know what is the numerator and what is the denominator. So 3 1s are 3. So total how many parts she gave to Raji? three parts, 1, 2 and 3. How 3 parts came? Because it is given over here 1/4 of it. So 1/4 of it means 12 parts. Again I repeat, so whenever of is there, then what we have to do? Multiplication. So 1/4 multiply by 12. In our multiplication, what we have to do? We have to do the cancellation with the numerator and denominator. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. What are similar? 4 4 similar. So cancel it. What is the remaining over here? 1. Here 3 and in denominator 1. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. So how many parts she gave to Raji? 3 parts. So here you have to write 3. How 3 came? 1/4 of 12. Like this way. Okay. Understood? These things you have to do in your notebook. Don't do in your textbook, and you have to show this explanation like this way. Okay. This is of Raji. Is that clear, student? Okay, now read 1/3 of Sugatha and 1/6 to Sila. 1/3 of 12. So whenever of word is there, what we have to do? Yes, multiplication. Okay, so here you have to write Sugatha is equal to 1/3 of 12. It means 1/3 multiplied by 12. Now again 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. What is the same? 3 3 are same. So cancel it. What is the remaining? 1 multiplied by 4, and here also 1. So these are the remaining. Now you know we have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 4 1s are 4 and 1. 1 we are not showing. Okay, so this is the 4 parts to whom? Sugatha. So write over here 4. Why? Because 1/3 of 12. So this is 4 to Raji. Sorry, 3 to Raji. This is the 1, 2 and 4 to Sugatha. Now 1/6 to Sheila. So over here Sheila. How much? 1/6. So 1/6 of 12. So 1/6 multiplied by 12. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 6 are similar. What is the remaining? 1 multiplied by 2 and 1. Yes or not? 1 here, 2 here and 1 here. 1 2 1s are 2 and 1. In this denominator we are not showing 1. We have to write as a whole number. So how many parts to Sila? 2. Why? Because 1/6 of 12. Understood? Now see at the remaining parts. So over here 2 parts to Sila. So how many remaining? 3. How many pieces of chocolate did she get? So did it get? Right here, this one. Okay. So see at the remaining part. How many remaining part? 3. Okay. How many pieces of the chocolate did each get? Each get like this way. Raji 3, Sugatha 4 and Sila 2. And this one Manju 3. Okay. But see here 3 parts we can calculate like this way. Remaining are 3. Other how you have to do, students, I will teach you, and these methods also important for you. See over here. Total parts how many? 12. Okay. Then we gave 3 to Raji, 4 to Sugatha and 2 to Sila. So 12 minus 3 plus 4, 7, 7 and 2, 9. 12 minus 9 is 3 parts remaining. Okay. Understood? So this way also you can do. Either total how many chocolate bar we have? One chocolates we have now, full one dairy milk like this way, okay. One we have, from that we gave, see students, listen properly, okay. From this we gave 1/4 to Raji, 1/4 given, then what is given, 1/3 to Sugatha and 1/6 to Sila. Total we have the one chocolate, it means one chocolate bar we have. From these we gave 1/4 to Raji, 1/3 to Sugatha and 1/6 to Sheila. Okay, now here 1 minus, now what we have to do over here, denominators we have to make same, okay. Whenever you want to add the fraction, what we have to do, we have to make it same. For that what we have to do, yes, we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 4 and 6? I am showing you over here. 3, 4 and 6, we have to take the LCM. So first we are starting with the 2 because 4 and 6 are these things you learn in your 4th standard. 2, 3 comes in table of 2, no, so write 3 as it is. 4 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 2s are 4. 6 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 3s are 6, so write over here. Okay, again take the 2, 3 comes, not, write as it is. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. Now we have to take which number? Yes, 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, again 3 1s are 3. So we have to do here till we get the 1. Okay, so now what we have to do? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our LCM is 12. Okay, now what you have to do, students? We have to make the denominator same. Here 1/4 we have, we want over here 12. Yes or not? So we want over here 12. Which number we have to multiply over here? Yes, 3s are. But it's the rule of the fraction. What we are going to change in the denominator, same thing we have to change with numerator. So again numerator also we have to multiply with the 3. 3 1s are 3. So in place of 1/4 we can write 3 by 12. Same way 1/3 we want over here 12. By which number we have to multiply? Yes, 3 4s are. So over here also 4. 4 1s are 4. So whenever 1/3 is there, we can write over here 4/12. Okay, now 1/6. Okay, so which number we have to multiply? Yes, 6 2s are. So 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12. So whenever 1/6 is there, we can write over here 2/12. So listen properly, students. What we did, first total chocolate bar we have the 1 chocolates. Okay, so from that we gave 1/4, 1/3 and 1/6. So how much remaining? These things we have to find. That's why first we have to add all these things. Okay, and then we have to subtract from our total 1 chocolates. Okay, so but in this fraction we can't do like this way, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7 and 6 13, like this way we are not doing. Okay, this is the wrong method. We have to make the denominator same, and for that we want LCM. How to do the LCM? Like this way. These things already you learn in your 4th standard. Okay, so after making denominator same, we can add. These are known as a like fraction. Which fraction? Like fraction, because they are having the denominator same. Now 1 minus 3 plus 4 7, 7 and 2 9 divided by 12. Don't add over here. Okay, don't make this mistake, students. Denominator we have to write as it is. Only we have to do the sum of numerator. Understood? So these are 9 by 12. Now over here we have the 1 only. Again for the subtraction, we can't do the subtraction because here denominator nothing is there. It means what is 1. Okay, so we have to again take the LCM. So 12 ones are 12 only. So here we want 12. By which number we have to multiply? Yes, again 12. So what we are going to change in denominator? Same thing we have to change with numerator also. Okay, so 12 ones are 12. Again 12 ones are 12. So whenever 1 is there, we can write over here 12 by 12 minus 9 by 12. Now we have the same denominator. Then after we can subtract it. 12 minus 9, it means 3 by 12. Okay, so how many parts remaining? 3 parts from the 12 parts. Here also 3 parts. Okay, so anyway your answers are same, but here we are doing this fraction chapter. So here better we have to learn this. Okay, by this way we have to learn how to add, how to subtract the fraction. Again I repeat students, whenever we are going to add or subtract the fraction, we want the same denominator. For that we have to take the LCM. Whenever they are same, then after we can add or we can subtract. Like this way we are not add or we are not subtract the fraction. Understood? So you have to make it same, and for that you have to take the LCM. In your notebook you have to write all these things. Don't forget students, okay? These things you have to write in your notebook. Thank you.